Is that person you? Oh, let it fall. Lift your voice and sing it. Even let it. He's blessing you personally. Blessing someone today. Come on. Say the rain of miracle. He's remembering you tonight. Let it fall. Let it fall upon your businesses. Let it fall upon your marriages. He's remembering you. Hey, non-usual praise. Ici can do more. That hand so strong and mighty. He's solving someone's problems tonight. One more time, say, the hand so strong and mighty. Father, we worship you. Easy, the river that never runs dry. It is a miracle the Lord is about to do today. The miracle of healing. The miracle of upliftment. The Lord is establishing someone tonight. Miracle, miracle, come on now. You say, I will sing to the Lord a new song. Lagos, are you ready to sing a new song to the Lord? Oh yeah, let me see you wave those hands. Wave those hands to Jesus. Celebrating for the gift of life. He is worthy.